Mr. Specialized Knowledge, pursuing superiority. Kohler, China. With the global climate warming, the demands for ice in our market are becoming more and more. Ice has been widely used and extended in restaurant, hotel, cold train, food refreshing, seafood, fishery preservative, meat processing, concrete cooling, and other areas every day. Guangzhou Kohler Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited was established in one of the biggest export city, Guangzhou, China, in 2004. We have been specializing in research, design, development and manufacture of ice machine all the time, having only a self-brand name and intellectual property right. Our main products has included a large edible ice cube machine, ice block machine, plate ice machine, tube ice machine, cold room, and other related refrigeration products. And our ice machines have been popularly used in Africa, Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, South America, and South Pacific Islands market. 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, 2010 Shanghai World Expo, and 2010 Guangzhou Asian Games are our cooperation partners for our ice cube machine and ice cubes. Large edible ice cube machine is the first type ice machine to adopt three leading technologies: automatic ice thickness self-adjustment function, automatic water making up function, and automatic ice freezing and ice falling function, which completely solve the problems of uneven ice thickness and the ice falling difficulty, which caused by the water pressure and the environmental temperature. By reasonably adopting the technologies of flat plate heat exchanger and circulating hot air for ice forming, which greatly optimize the ice machine performance in production, power consumption, and automatic ice falling side. Meanwhile, the application of screw conveyor equipment realizes ice bag packing function for different types of bags, which can not only guarantee the ice clean, sanitary, and crystal, but also convenient for ice packing to save the manpower greatly. In a word, it has met the customer's many needs. Large ice block machine is customized to design with the customer's requirement. The ice block size can be customized according to the customer's needs for ice. By using concentration evaporation, the ice making efficiency has been greatly improved and the ice making time has been greatly shortened. The separate design for the refrigeration unit and the water tank simplify the installation. Meanwhile, it is also very convenient for maintenance and transportation. Using stainless steel 304 material for water tank and ice modes, which not only ensure the quality and the working span life of the machine, but also greatly reduce the problems of the maintenance. Plate ice machine is a new type ice making machine which adopts a flat plate heat exchange technology and circulating hot air for ice falling technology. For the plate ice, you can adjust it from 5 mm to 30 mm according to your needs and market needs. Equipped with the ice crusher, the plate ice machine can reach the second time to crush ice, which can fully meet the user's requirement for different ice in different conditions. Adopting PLC program control, it is very convenient to operate and control. Adopting the hot air ice falling technology, which can greatly reduce the mechanical foot. Its power consumption is for 60 kilowatts to produce 1 ton ice. Compared with other ice maker, its energy saving rate can reach more than 30%. Tube ice machine is a kind of cylinder hollow ice machine. It adopts a flat-head evaporator to make ice, which greatly improves the efficiency of ice making and ice production. Meanwhile, it saves installation space. The thickness and hollow part of tube ice can be adjusted according to the customer's requirements. Tube ice machine realizes high production, low power consumption. We have been dedicating on improving the product's quality and our after-sales service since 2004. Kohler Ice Machine all adopt the international famous brand name refrigeration and electrical components, such as Germany Beezer compressor, Denmark Danfoss refrigeration components, Korea LG electrical components, Germany Siemens CPU, etc. which can ensure the machine with good stability and high efficiency. We took the exquisite welding technology such as brazing, electro-welding and arc-on-arc welding using advanced equipment such as automatic welding machine, plate shearing machine, bending machine, and a diesel forklift for process and produce. We have been strictly carrying out and managing the whole producing process according to ISO 9001-2008 quality management system. Meanwhile, we have been gradually improving our ice machine performance based on customers' use and feedback information during our long-term investigation, which can not only improve the product quality but also greatly reduce the maintenance cost of machine for after-sales service. Excellent quality and high reputation will make Kohler reach to the world. Perfect terminal service is our Kohler purpose. Zero defect products are our pursuing goal. Kohler persists in the perfect, leading, and fast service concept, making great effort to create superior products and services for the society. Meanwhile, producing the first-class refrigeration equipment in the world. Guangzhou Kohler Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited.